Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with RentRedi for maintenance and leasing coordination, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the RentRedi website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the subscriptions section in the menu. Click on the Add Subscription button. You will see options for maintenance and leasing coordination. Select the type of subscription you wish to add. Review the benefits and features associated with each subscription type. Decide on the plan that best fits your needs. After making your selection, click on Continue. Fill out any required information in the subscription form. Input your payment details in the provided fields. Review all entered information for accuracy. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. For maintenance coordination, navigate to the Maintenance section on your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available tools for tracking and managing maintenance requests. Set up preferences for how you would like to receive updates. For leasing coordination, go back to the Leasing section. Explore the features available for managing tenant communication and lease documents. Adjust your settings to align with your rental management style. Regularly check the dashboard for updates and notifications. Remember to familiarize yourself with the help resources available in the support section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.